I will answer them at the end of the presentation. Certainly, this stuff can be a little bit confusing, so feel free if you'd like to either give us a call or email us to set up a special time to talk. Sometimes just kind of talking through your scenario is the best way to figure out if our services are going to be any type of solution for you. So let me just introduce myself. My name is Ken French. I'm actually the founder and president of the company. And I think it's important you guys understand that my self New Jersey. Actually used to run a company about 7,000, and I took about 5 employees. Staff. We've been working with independent agents. Life and health, employee benefits, and certainly we're experts in helping you market. New website built, they need their current website, or they need help with their social media presence. So, certainly review our 2 core services today. We're going to review website design service as well as social media. Now, as you guys know, we do have some pretty good discounts available. They will be available through next week. I'll go over those details in about 10 minutes or 5 minutes. But just keep that in mind that the prices you see on the website, there are some discounts available to those prices. So let's start off and talk about our website design. People always ask right up front, how much is it going to cost me up front for you to build me a new website or to redesign my current of a different model here? I mean, the answer to the question is it's not going to cost you anything up front. But on the flip side, we're kind of looking to partner with independent agents that are in it for the long run. We're looking for retention, just like you. We want 10-year clients. And our services and our pricing is geared for the long run. So basically how it works is you sit through today's presentation, you contact us if you have any questions. And if it makes sense and it's something that you're interested in, then you go to our site and you sign up for the free trial. And once you sign up for our website free trial, what we do is we set up about a 30-minute interview on the phone with you. And we kind of just talk it out. We talk about your agency, what products you sell, what you focus on. We want to know how you actually run your business. Because, in 2016, your website has to complement you. The old philosophy was to have these big billboard websites that had 1 million bells and whistles and they looked impressive. But, in 2016, let's face it, the insurance industry, it's all about efficiency. It's all about, getting more clients and retaining more clients. So our goal is to figure out how can we build you a website that you're going to use every day, that's going to help you, it's going to make you more efficient. And we learned that during the interview. We talk to you, we figure it out, then we do all the work. We take about a week. We will build out a brand new site for you, a rough draft. We'll send it over to you. Now, at that point, if you don't like what we came up with, I mean, obviously we can make any changes you want, or you can certainly turn around and go in a different direction, and it never costs you anything. Again, our goal is to build trust with people, and the way we build trust is by kind of putting our money where our mouth is. And long story short, the way we build trust is building you a website before you pay anything. That kind of proves to you, hey, these guys are serious, they know what they're doing, and they're here to help me. So, again, it takes us about a week to design the site. We'll go through it together, and then maybe another week to fine-tune it. And usually within 2 to 3 weeks, the new website's up and running. So if you move forward with it, what ends up happening is in about 1 month from the day you signed up, you start to pay your monthly cost, which is with the discount is $59.99 a month. So that becomes your cost for the website, and it's an all-inclusive cost. And it's a month-by-month contract. So for as long as you want that site up and running, you pay your $60 a month. And it includes, like I said, it includes everything. It includes the design of the site, up to 30 customizable pages. If you ever need changes to your site, no problem. There's no cost. You can send them to us. You can call us. We will make them the same day. Or, certainly you can go make them yourself if you really want to. We will do all the hosting, all the search engine optimization. You will get your own mobile website, which is very important today. If you need any fillable forms or landing pages, that's included. Obviously very important today as well. Now, one of the things that's kind of neat is if you're selling individual products, we will get you set up with what I would call a private exchange. So here's an example of more of an individual medical and Medicare agency, and you can kind of see their site. And down here at the bottom, there's a button for their private exchange. And basically what the private organizes is all of your online quoting and enrollment portals. So if we go to this gentleman's page, you can see that he Vision and Humana Dental. If you go into travel insurance, he's got Geo Blue and IMG Global. Long story short, if the consumer clicks on quote and buy, they will go into your enrollment portal where they can quote and buy the product, and you get credit for the sale. Now, I'm not blindly. What I'm saying is having a private exchange is a great way to, instead of emailing them the link, now you can send them to your private exchange where they can go in, get the product, but more importantly, they're exposed to all your other products. Oh, I had no idea you did life insurance. Oh, I had no idea that you had telemedicine. And I think that that's the way you have to start thinking moving forward. How do I cross-sell my products more efficiently? And it's about kind of harnessing your website and harnessing technology. So my point is this is one of the things that's included. It's certainly can be designed any way you want, and you can put any types of products you want in it. So that's included. Getting you set up with social media for your business is also included. And then the number one thing our current clients give us really good feedback on is each week we offer kind of like a 15-minute training session on how you can use social media to grow your business. So that's included. So that's our website package. I see some questions coming in. Let me just kind of transition real quick and talk about our social media posting services. Then I'll certainly answer the questions. So, like I said, we started this company in 2009, and we started offering these weekly social media trainings back then. And what started to happen was our clients started to call up and they'd say, hey, look, I was on that LinkedIn training webinar. You really woke me up to how important it is to post educational content on LinkedIn. But, geez, I just don't have the time every day to do it. Is there any way you guys can do it for us? So we came out with a special service called Social Media Management. And really, it's for the independent agent or small agency that knows social media is really important. They just don't have the time every day to use it and to post educational content on it. So what we do is, of course, we interview you. We learn about what products you sell. If you're just selling ACA and Medicare, then we're going to post ACA and Medicare content. So that's step one, figure out what products you sell. Step two is to make sure that you're set up with a Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter business page. So we'll get you set up with those pages. If you already have them, great. We'll clean them up and make them look good. And then the main thing we do is we actually post educational insurance content 5 days a week for you on your social media pages, the Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter business pages. So people always say, well, what do you actually post? What types of things? And I would say we have a pretty balanced posting strategy. 33% of the time, we try to promote you. We let people know who you are, what you sell, what you specialize in. We want to plant the seed that you're going to be the person who can help them. 33% of the time, we post insurance articles, updates, tips. We want to project you to be the guru the go-to person when someone has a problem, the go-to person when one of your clients, friends, and family has a problem that you get referred to. And then the other 33% of the time, we'll post non-insurance stuff, maybe inspirational quotes, tips on how to use social media, things that are very politically correct and professional. So here's an example of an agency we've been posting for, and you can kind of see some of the posts. Here was a post about what a non-preferred provider is. Here was a post, an article about Obamacare open enrollment, everything you need to know. Here was a post about the best and worst health insurance carriers. Here was an inspirational quote from Albert Einstein. Here was a reminder that, November 1st, open enrollment started. So, again, you can kind of get a gist of it. The cost of the service, if this is all you want, is we have a $65 a month, $165 a quarter, and certainly a $500 a year. Now, if you need both of those services, we do have a bundle package. So let me just kind of go through these discounts, and then I'll answer everyone's questions. So, again, we have just the website package. Usually that's $69.99 a month. It's available for $59.99 a month. That comes with a 1-month free trial. We have I Just Need Social Media Posting. We have the monthly, quarterly, and annual. And then we have what I call the Elite package, which is just a bundle of both of them. Usually that's $115 a month. It is available for $89.99 a month. The one thing is you do pay up front for the Elite package. There is no free trial. But again, we'll build you a new website. We'll get the social media posting going. And, hopefully you'll be better off. The discount pricing does expire on Monday, 11/16. So let me answer some of these questions. Then what I'll do is I'll send everyone some more information, and feel free to contact us if you want to talk, or if you want to get started with the discount pricing. So first question here is from Karen. Karen's asking, Ken, if you guys do the social media posting for us, are we still able to post ourselves? Absolutely, Karen. Basically the way it works is if you want to do absolutely nothing, that's fine. We'll come up with the content, we'll post the content. But if you want to go in there and post yourself, you certainly can do that too. You own these pages, you're the administrator, you can go on and post anything you want. Next question is from Mark. Mark is asking, Ken, can I send you things to post? Mark, absolutely. Yeah, there's no additional cost. You can send us anything you want at any time to post, and we'll post it for you. Just had a client the other day. It was their 20th anniversary, and they weren't really sure how to make it look nice. They sent it over to us, and we posted it. Let's see here. Next question is from Adam. Adam says, Ken, I currently have a website through GoDaddy. It's a do-it-yourself. If I use your services, can I keep my web address through GoDaddy? Yeah, absolutely. I mean, what we'll do is we'll build the rough draft on our web address, and then once you approve it and you want to switch it out, we'll go in and change what's called the DNS. Your old website will turn off, new website will turn on, and certainly you can keep your old web address. All right, guys, I appreciate your